What is Schedule K1 on TurboTax? Schedule K1 is a tax form used to report your share of income, deductions, credits, and other financial details from a pass-through entity, like a partnership, as corporation, or trust. Essentially, it's like a report card from the income you earn from these entities, and it needs to be included in your personal tax return. You'll receive a K1 if you are a partner in business, a shareholder in S Corp, a beneficiary of a trust, or involved in similar pass-through entity. These forms are usually sent out by business or trust to its partners, shareholders, or beneficiaries so they can report their portion of the income on their personal tax return. The form includes key details like your share of income, losses, deductions, and credits. It's essentially breaking down your portion of entity's financials. TurboTax will use this information to help you accurately report what you owe in taxes, making sure everything lines up with the IRS. Entering a Schedule K1 on TurboTax is a breeze. Once you start your tax return, TurboTax will guide you through a step-by-step process where you can enter all the details from your K1 form. Just click on the Wages and Income section, find the K1 category under Business Investment and Trust Income State, and fill in the required fields exactly as it appears on your form. Double check your entries against the Schedule K1 form to ensure accuracy. Even a small typo can lead to errors that might delay your filing or cause confusion with the IRS. Make sure you enter every detail correctly, including losses or deductions, as these can affect your overall tax situation significantly. That's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear what is Schedule K1 on TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.